Halloween. Trick or treat, treat or dress. What's your favorite treat? Well, mine is cookies. And today we're going to be making Halloween cookies. So let's do it. These are the ingredients we're going to be needing. 150 grams of softened butter, 2/3 cups of powdered sugar, 2 cups of refined flour, a few drops of vanilla essence, and a pinch of baking soda and some orange food coloring. So now we have a bowl, and now we add our softened butter and powdered sugar together. Now we have to softly mix it with a spatula and then beat it up. Okay, I've mixed it nicely, and now we're going to be adding the refined flour. After adding this, we're going to be adding a few drops of vanilla essence. Not too much. And now we're going to be adding a pinch of baking soda. And now let's mix it up. Okay, so now our cookie dough is ready. We're going to be adding our orange food coloring into the mix. Mix it thoroughly. Okay, so now I've scooped out the cookie dough onto this baking tray, and I've placed them far away from each other so they don't mix into each other while baking. Now we have to bake these for about 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And if you're afraid of using hot tools, just ask your parents for help. Okay guys, so the cookies are ready and they smell amazing. I can't wait to see how they taste. That's so good. And make sure to share this video with your friends so you can try out this recipe someday. And comment down below how they turned out.